Start investing in property in 2025, USA, UK, AUS, Can, Real Estate for Beginners, Stopwatch Hook, Attention Grabber, B-Roll, Skyline Cities, New York, London, Sydney, Toronto. Thinking about buying your first property in 2025? Whether you're in the US, the UK, Australia, or Canada, this is the only video you need to understand how to start investing in real estate, even if you have no money, no experience, and no clue where to begin. Stopwatch Why Property in 2025. B-roll, news headlines about rent prices, inflation, housing markets. Real estate remains one of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth. In 2025, property markets in the US, UK, Australia, and Canada are evolving fast, and beginners have more opportunity than ever. With rising rental demand, new government incentives, and remote work trends, now is a golden window to get started. Stopwatch How to Start with Little or No Money, B-roll, young people working on laptop, house tours, small apartments. You don't need to be rich to start. Here are 3 ways to get into real estate with minimal capital. 1. House hacking. Buy a duplex, live in one unit, rent the other. 1. This works great in the US, UK, and Australia. 2. REITs, real estate investment trusts, perfect for Canadians and Americans who want to start with just $100. 3. Joint ventures, partner with someone who has the funds while you manage the deal. Stopwatch Best locations to invest, by country, maps with zoom-ins, city names, real footage of neighborhoods. Round Pushpin USA, watch markets like Dallas, Tampa, and Charlotte. Great for growth and rental demand. Round Pushpin UK, Manchester, Birmingham, and parts of Wales offer affordable entry points with high rental yields. Round Pushpin Australia, Brisbane and Perth are booming, with infrastructure development and high migration. Round Pushpin Canada, Halifax, Edmonton, and parts of Ontario outside Toronto offer solid cash flow opportunities. Stopwatch What type of property should you buy? Townhouses, condos, multi-family homes, studio units. For beginners, start simple. Single-family homes or small multi-units. Avoid luxury properties. Go for affordable housing with high rental demand. If you're abroad, consider turnkey properties or hiring a property manager. Stopwatch Common mistakes beginners make. Stressed landlord, for sale, signs, bad tenants, over-budget renovations. Don't fall into these traps. Buying with emotion, not math. Underestimating repairs and maintenance. Skipping property inspections. Failing to understand local laws and taxes, especially in the UK and Canada. Stopwatch How to Build a Property Portfolio. Spreadsheets, people signing papers, family celebrating new home, studio microphone voiceover. The goal is to grow, but grow smart. Reinvest your rental income. Use equity from your first property to fund the second. Diversify across regions or property types. Stay consistent and track your cash flow. Stopwatch Final tips and call to action. Confident young investor, vision board, sunrise shots. You don't need to be an expert to start, just committed to learning. Real estate is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is a get-rich-for-sure strategy when done right. So whether you're in London or LA, Sydney or Toronto, now's the time to start your journey. Studio microphone call to action, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your city, and let's build wealth, one property at a time. Home upward trend. Start investing in property in 2025, USA, UK, AUS, Can, Real Estate for Beginners. 1. Property investment in 2025 continues to be one of the most reliable ways to build long-term wealth. Whether you're in the USA, UK, Australia, or Canada, the real estate market holds opportunities for smart investors. 2. As a beginner, the first step is understanding what property investment really means. It's not just buying a house, it's about using real estate strategically to generate income or appreciate value over time. 3. There are two primary ways to invest in property, through rental income and capital appreciation. Both play a key role in building financial security. 4. In the USA, cities like Austin, Raleigh, and Tampa are drawing attention for high rental yields. Meanwhile, the UK sees continued growth in Manchester, Leeds, and Birmingham. 5. Australia presents solid opportunities in Brisbane and Perth, especially with population growth and infrastructure spending. Canada's top real estate hotspots include Calgary, Ottawa, and Halifax. 6. Before buying any property, it's essential to research local market trends. Each country has different growth areas, laws, and investment environments. 7. One major consideration is the property type: residential, commercial, vacation rentals, or even REITs, real estate investment trusts, if you prefer a more hands-off approach. 8. Residential properties are great for beginners because they're easier to manage and finance. They also offer consistent demand in most cities. 9. Financing is another key area. In the USA, 30-year fixed-rate mortgages are popular. In the UK, fixed and tracker mortgages dominate. Australia and Canada offer competitive lending products, too. 10. Your credit score matters. A strong credit profile in any of these countries can unlock better mortgage rates and lower your down payment requirements. 11. Speaking of down payments, they vary by country. In the US, you might get away with 5 to 10%, while in the UK and Australia, 10 to 20% is more typical. Canada often requires at least 5 to 20%, depending on the loan. 12. Don't forget about closing costs and property taxes. These extra expenses can significantly impact your investment's profitability. 13. Once you purchase a property, you become responsible for maintenance, insurance, taxes, and tenant management, unless you hire a property manager. 14. Property managers can make your life easier, especially if you're investing from overseas or have multiple units. 15. In 2025, technology is revolutionizing property management. From smart locks to online rent collection, managing properties is easier than ever across all 4 countries. 16. Rental demand is strong, especially in urban centers and near universities or job hubs. Understanding tenant needs helps reduce vacancies and increases income. 17. Make sure you know the landlord-tenant laws in your country. They vary widely and influence how you handle leases, evictions, and repairs. 18. Tax benefits are another big incentive. In the USA, you can deduct mortgage interest and depreciation. The UK, AUS, and can also offer deductions that vary by property type and ownership structure. 19. Many beginners ask, should I buy now or wait? The truth is, there's never a perfect time. Focus on buying right, not buying fast. 20. Build a team. A good realtor, mortgage broker, lawyer, and accountant can help you avoid costly mistakes, especially when dealing with international property laws. Are you unsure about investing in real estate? Many beginners struggle with this question. This tutorial will show you the importance of diversification in property investment. Our goal is to help you build a successful real estate portfolio. First, understand why diversification matters. It spreads risk across multiple investments. Next, consider multiple smaller properties instead of a single one. This strategy offers flexibility. Now, think about your long-term approach toward real estate. It's not about quick money. Evaluate your exit strategy early on. Will you sell or rent for income? Finally, commit to constant education. Follow property news and join investor forums. As you learn, apply these insights to enhance your investment success. Remember, investing wisely can create wealth across generations. Stay active, keep learning, and make informed decisions today. Are you overwhelmed by the real estate market? Many beginners face this challenge. In this tutorial, we'll simplify your entry into property investing. Our goal is to help you confidently start with minimal risk. First, consider starting small. Options like studio apartments, single-family homes, or duplexes work well. These choices reduce your financial risk while offering valuable experience. Next, check for government incentives in 2025. Countries like the UK, Australia, Canada, and the US provide assistance for first-time buyers. Research your local programs to maximize your benefits. Be cautious about too good to be true deals. If a property seems priced unusually low, investigate further. Issues may exist with zoning, structure, or location. Always conduct thorough due diligence before making an offer. Another vital step is networking with local investors. Join online forums or real estate meetups. Many communities have eager investors sharing insights and advice. Building connections opens doors to potential partnerships. No matter where you live, Toronto, Sydney, London, or Los Angeles, property investment remains promising. It's a safe, rewarding path toward financial freedom in 2025. With the right mindset, you can turn real estate into a powerful asset. In summary, remember to start small, seek incentives, be cautious, and network. These key steps will guide you as you enter the real estate market. Now, take what you learned today and start your journey. Embrace these strategies for successful property investing. Happy investing!